When the trooper activated his lights and siren, the motorcyclist initially drifted toward the right shoulder, then suddenly accelerated, lowering his body over the bike and initiating a high-speed pursuit. Dashcam footage captured the rider weaving through traffic, pushing the limits of control and visibility. Moments later, the inevitable happened. The motorcycle struck the rear of a passenger car at full speed, launching the rider across the pavement.
1050 ring, he just ran in the back of a car.
The trooper immediately radioed for emergency medical services and began CPR. Despite his rapid response, the suspect, later identified as Stephen Wilson, succumbed to his injuries at the scene.